I'm Renee Moore with Monterey Boats, and I'd like to welcome you to the Elite experience. For more than 40 years, Monterey has built some of the best boats on the water today. Still owned and operated by its original founding brothers, co-chairman Charles and Jeff Marshall. That legacy continues today with the Elite. In this series, we're taking you behind the build into the world of the Elite. Where a boat starts matters. It shapes everything from how it feels to how it performs on the water. What you're seeing here is the foundation. It all builds towards what the boat becomes.
Every boat that we build, the boat will never be any better than the quality of the mold itself. So we take a lot of pride in maintaining our molds to the highest quality. During our gel coat procedures, they will tack rag the mold out, making sure there's any type of contaminants on the mold. Then they'll start gelling the part, and as they're putting passes of gel coat on there, roughly 6 to 8 mils per pass, they're milling the part as they go to make sure of the accuracy of the millage that's going on the mold. Once the part is completed, they'll come back and inspect it and second brush any areas that need to be second brushed. And then once that's done, then they will barrier coat the mold or the part that's on the mold. The skin coat is the first application of fiberglass. The skin coat is the primary barrier between the gel coat and the bulk laminate. It's also where the skin crew will make sure to roll out any air bubbles that would be trapped next to the gel coat, which will also create defects. Once the decks and hulls reach the pull stage underneath the hoist and we're ready to pull the decks and hulls out of the mold, they will break the flange loose and then go inside the part, and there are blowholes where they will introduce air into the part, and that air will separate the part and the mold itself. Once that's done, they will start to run around and finish breaking the flange loose. And on the deck is lined up about a ½ inch or so above the dolly itself. So at a point, that part will release and the deck will just drop down onto the dolly. At that point, you can continue to raise up the deck mold, move the part out of the way, and then set the mold down. The hull is very similar. In the hull build stage, all the material is cut on an Eastman cutter. That allows us to reproduce the same amount of laminate and consistency on every single boat. It helps us produce the same weight boat every time. Since the laminate is the same, weight of the boat is the same.
Lamination is one of the processes that is very important to be consistent. We track everything. We track everything from the time the gel coat gun is pulled to the time the boat is being pulled out of the mold. Everything is accounted for. We are very consistent. We track the weight of every single boat, and if we find abnormalities, we go back and we really try to dive into why is this one different. Engineering, as far as the lamination process goes, we draw the patterns for the CNC to cut out the material so it's exactly the right size. We are involved with every aspect of it, down to the first 10 boats. We're out there with them. We are weighing the gel coat, we're weighing the resin, we're counting the fiberglass weight, we are putting that back into the bill of materials. So we are heavily involved. And it just makes it so if somebody has a question out there, they don't have to look very far. They just grab us, we answer the question, we keep going.
The confidence to run the Elites out on the water really starts at the beginning. It starts with the lamination and the materials we use, the craftsmanship, and the whole build process. Honestly, this 23 rides like a bigger, stronger boat because of the bones that are underneath it, the all Cusa composite structure that we have, the back filled with foam to really deaden the sound. This boat's very quiet on the water. You don't get a lot of that noise slap. We've been running it all day, been running it all the Elites, and they're very quiet. Monterey Boats is still a family-owned business, which is unique in the marine industry as the way things are going. I think one of the biggest things I tout on most because of that is the family says, make the product the best you can make it. That comes from hardware, the craftsmanship, the QC on the floor, the people doing it. If something's not right, we fix it and we make it right to the customer. We make it right in production. Our quality of the materials isn't based upon the price point, it's based upon what's the best for our customer, because that's what the family wants out there for their reputation. Believe in the Monterey Boats, believe in the Monterey brand, believe where the boat's going.